luar Kapatisi TV.
ठंडा जुगाड़ कोई साइड पे मिल जाए तो लगेगा ये चाहिए ना सैंडबैग
कुछ नहीं रहेगा शो सर इसमें
Came from Shillong. The K9 squad also came. And after taking all the precautions as per SOP, we found out that there was an IED, most probably using gelatin as explosives and electric detonators. So it was diffused successfully by our BDBS team, and we have seized all the materials and investigation is going on. We have a suspect. We are trying to arrest him as quickly as possible.
So right now, sir, which means no arrests have been made so far.
Not yet, but it is highly likely that we'll pick him tonight.
Sir, since as we can like hear that this is a house of one of the well-known in Umsning area and Bhoi district also.
Yes.
So according to your is there any suspects or something, sir? Like
Of
why
course.
why this proposal had been?
It's too early to comment upon that. What was the motive behind doing all this? But we have a suspect. We're trying to pick him up. It can happen anytime soon. So we are on it.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare laka barid ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki way ni pishat roti shat kiek bat ki way na ka benta ka koi ka kya jongi pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba pinyo ka jing shania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arjar henril link back section lai Bhoi iwe kamde ka ba pinyo ek license Phyllaw ban apply ko online link back website fastcus.fssai.gov.in da ka pihak pan upload ru yaki kod kisla badan kam kat kum ka jajing kam jong pi Phyllaw ru banyak kendo yaki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jong u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan hamigalaya lat no tang ha is khasihers Phyllaw ban let bed chak office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa la chumya nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan ra shapi daga commissionerate of food safety government of Meghalaya bat balakershan daga food safety and standards authority of India
Pin real spa ya kak tien la jong pin dan kam ya kabakan kiyo kak tien khasi kak tien la jong ai kan roi kan pa balai phi ong gate habangi don la ka jong ka kentien khasi kardop lani phalor beli lani khang ya ka tu ka phalor ni ju ya ong saka weiban kakten khasi kam ju ong ban ya kiw yau up hinrengi kiw yau thep tu da yakan mau kendet ho lapan mi da ka pati CTV na ka benta ka jingmentoi upat ba